Okay, welcome to my page on using Easy Hits for you to host your page. So the first thing you'll want to do is we've already built the the capture page. We got the autoresponder and the tech or the video in there. If you happen to have closed this out, you got to bring it back up because you have to get the source code. So you've got to go open your editor back up. Bring that, open file, and bring it back into this editor. Then you want to go into the Easy Hits for You Traffic Exchange. If you're not a member of that yet, you need to join. It is one of the best traffic exchanges out there. I do use traffic exchanges to drive traffic to my websites. I recommend you do that as well. So if you're not a member yet, you will have to go over and go to my traffic exchange page. Set up your own account and then come back and log in. Once you log in, on the left hand side you're going to see Easy Splash Builders. When you click that on, it's going to bring you to this page down here at the bottom. I've already got some already created. Just to give you an idea, this is a capture page that I created. There's one of them. Here's another one that I created. Here's a GDI one. So that's a little page that I built going through the same method that you're currently doing now. So they make nice little capture pages. So basically you're not going to have all three. You're just going to have nothing. And so down here at the bottom you're going to put Add New Splash Page. When you do that, you'll come to this page. Actually, you're going to come to this page right here, like Settings. This is your title page. Give it whatever name you want. The rest of the blocks leave unchecked. Show top frame. Got no choice. You're going to have to leave that on. You can see it's not. There's no option to change that. And then I think it says update or add new or whatever. Just make sure you save it. And then you'll come back over to Splash Page. This is the actual page. So what we'll want to do is we want to come over to HTML. And we're going to, actually we'll just cancel this. Come back over to your page that you built. And you go to Source. And what you want is all this, whoops. You want all this HTML code. And don't worry, you're not really editing any of this. Just go in, copy it all. Make sure you get it all copied on there. Copy that. We'll close that or we'll minimize it. Now I've actually added it in, but you won't see anything on your page. You'll just see blank. You can actually come over to HTML, and this will also be blank. And you just paste in your code, and then you just hit update. And you'll notice it brought that capture page right over for us. Now the cool thing about this is that you can also edit more. You can add images, you can highlight things, you can change text, you can change fonts. So, like for instance, let's say I want to add a little picture right here. So I just click right in the box. I can come up here. I got to go to Image Gallery. I click that. You have to go to Your Images. These are images in their database. You scroll through them. Maybe there's something you like. If not, under Your Images, you have to upload the files. Normally at first it's blank. So every time you've uploaded a file, it'll show up here. I always use My Images. You just click on the one that you want. See how it brought it over for us? So we can click that on, minimize that. We don't want it maybe it's quite so big. Make it a little smaller. Bring that down. Discover, hidden secrets from a leader in industry. You can change this if you want to make this different. You can make it a different color. I mean, it's all what you want to do. You can do all kind of great stuff with it. We're adding it even more than before. You know, if we want to get rid of this, we can just back. This has got a little image here. I can see it on there, probably from the original. For some reason, Firefox doesn't allow you to cut and paste. I don't know why it is. I guess Chrome, maybe Internet Explorer, but you know, if you wanted to add a little image in there, you could just come over here, image gallery. Your images. Maybe we'll put some bills up there. A little bit big. Make them a little smaller here. You know, just whatever you want to do. There's all kind of stuff that you can just add. Now, whenever you make changes to it, you just hit preview, and it'll show you the changes that you made to it. So we'll just close that out. Now, once you're done making all the changes that you want and you're satisfied with your final capture page, you just hit update. And we now have a URL. So I can actually just copy that URL and come over here. I can paste and go. And there it is. This is that little top frame I was telling you about. Unless you pay the extra $8 a month, which it's like $7.95 a month, it will give you unlimited splash pages. You can have as many as you want, and you won't have this. It won't be on there, but I've never done it. So with that URL, with this here, I can go and add that. I mean, that's like a website. It's like a web page. I can add it to other traffic exchanges. I can send out a solo ad, or I can send out a paid ad, and that URL is in my page. It's in my ad. They click on that. They go to my capture page. They have to be. They have to enter their information. Now they're on my list. So there's all kind of things that you can do with it once you have that URL. So that basically does that. So the next one we'll talk about autoresponders. Thanks.